Life is about opportunities. And when you get one, you take it. Then you challenge yourself to be better. And pushing the limits of your vehicle and having one epic adventure. So join me, going places people don't expect me to go. Welcome to the Unexpected Off-Road. Hit that like button and give us a subscribe. We met up with Sean from Story Till Now on this adventure. This is my overlanding setup. I like having my swag tent up and off the ground. Nothing like a good campsite with a good view of a lake. Sean's setup is really nice. Fall is such a beautiful time of the year here. We woke up to a rainy day and had to make the best of it.
A little bit of white stuff.
Yeah, kind of pretty.
Seeing snow on the ground always brings a smile on my face. Quick stop at the falls and had to film Sean doing what he does to us. The water in the lake was so low. Look at all those stumps.
Wow, they've done a lot of logging up here. They definitely made it a lot rougher.
That's just more of an adventure. That's fine with me.
It always amazes me how different a trail can be from year to year and how much it just changes. This area had a forest fire a number of years ago, and now they're going in and logging out all the burnt trees. So we spent what seemed like hours cleaning out this trail and using a chainsaw to clear out all these trees. And thankfully we ran into two other Jeeps that helped us out to make the trail passable again. And it was well worth the effort. And unfortunately, I did get some nasty scratches going through here. Well, that's all part of the game, I guess. And this is what we live for, to be out on the trail and having a great time with some good friends. My truck is very wide, so I always have to take extra precautions to get around obstacles like this.
This was as far as we got. The snow was just too much to get up the hill.
Well, I think we're going to make it up there for sunset.
Hell yeah. So I don't know if I told you the story or not, but we ran into hikers down there at the bottom where the clear cuts were, and they beat us all the way up the freaking hill.
That's pretty funny.
Well, when you have 12 trucks and then there's a little ledge up here and you're helping everybody over the ledge, it takes a bit, right? So they caught right up to us and then they passed us.
At this level, we're just starting to get into the snow, and this is where the snow's kind of fun. It just barely covers the ground, and it makes it a little bit of a challenge. On a day where it had been overcast, the sun was a welcome sight. doesn't take long to get into the deeper snow. A truck might be a bit heavy for snow, but snow like this is just a blast to drive through. I love this kind of stuff. My KM3s grip the snow so well. At this point, the snow is actually getting pretty tough. And these two guys decided to turn back around because it was getting late in the day for them. And it's always nice to meet new people out on the trail. Nighttime is setting in, and yeah, we probably should have turned around, but we love this kind of adventure.
So nice having a beast mode Jeep that just doesn't care. Whew, that was a fun one.
It's very easy to get out of the tracks with the width of my truck here, as you can see. At this point, I had such a big smile on my face and was having such a great time.
Oh.
We were definitely surprised to see how much snow there was here. We were so disappointed we didn't make it to the top. We wanted to make it so bad.
I don't think I can plow it.
Had to give it one good try just to see if we could. So I turned my headlights off here just to show how dark it is. And that reflection is ice.
Hang tight there for a second in case I need a winch.
So when you're in these conditions, you have to be prepared for the situation and have recovery gear and ways to recover yourself. Sean is in a complete slide right now.
Holy cow, that was scary.
Yep, that's a shitty feeling, isn't it?
Is that what happened to you too?
Yep, I stopped right about where you're at.
Alright, I'm gonna get the traction boards. Wow.
We just have to find a place to turn around now.
I gotta say, this is a first for me, backing in snow.
Yeah, it's not a first for me, and I haven't liked it every single time.
I think I found a spot.
Good, I can't take much more of this.
Mission accomplished.
Sweet, on my way.
We actually backed quite a distance down the hill, probably a good 3 kilometers. It has been a really long day for us, and at this point, we just want to get back to camp. Yep, this is the point where I got my souvenir dent. This was actually hard to drive through because you couldn't see behind you in your side view mirrors to spot logs that you might hit. It was an amazing couple days out on the trail with Sean. We had such a good time and had a great adventure. Check out the story till now for his version of this video. Thanks for watching and coming on our journey. And remember to smash that like and subscribe button.